Do you want to listen to the freshest beats while breathing in the cleanest air? Well, Dyson's first ever audio product will do that anyway for a price. Not only will Dyson's flagship headphones separate out unnecessary noise, but they'll also allegedly do the same with invisible particles you'd otherwise inhale. A single glance is all it takes to differentiate the Dyson Zone from other audio devices. Though they snugly attach to the head like other over-the-ear headphones, they have a component no competing product has: a wind-blocking, air-purifying visor that sits in front of the nose and mouth. The detachable visor is said to address tiny, unwanted particles that exist in high concentrations in polluted cities. Dyson says the Zone's ear cups pull air inward using 9,750 RPM compressors. The air passes through dual-layered electrostatic and K-carbon filters, which remove 99% of microscopic debris, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur dioxide. Each ear cup then uses the visor to project the filtered air toward the nose and mouth. Of course, this occurs alongside the Zone's audio functions. The device's noise-canceling system uses 8 microphones to eliminate 38 decibels of noise between 20 Hz and 20 kHz. The Zone uses 40mm neodymium speaker drivers that are said to produce improved spectrum-wide sound clarity. It also supposedly uses a custom-engineered equalizer setting to optimize audio purity. All said, these headphones' standout components make for a pretty heavy device. The Zone weighs 1.6 pounds or 670 grams with the air-purifying visor and 1.3 pounds OT, 595 grams without. Compared with other over-the-ear noise-canceling headphones, this is some serious heft. The Dyson Zone can operate for 50 hours on a single charge without its visor activated. The air purification setting, which has 3 modes, reduces listening time to less than 4 hours. Considering the device takes 3 hours to charge, the Zone could become annoying to use relatively quickly, not to mention the cyberpunk-like visor is hovering in front of your face. Dyson Zone headphones will be available for purchase in March 2023 by in-store appointment only, with further availability to come after that. So, what's your thoughts on these wallet-killer headphones? Are you going to buy these? Let us know in the comments. And maybe consider supporting this channel by Super Thanks or PayPal. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.